Welcome to my channel. Fix Epson printer not connecting to Wi-Fi, full setup guide. Step 1. Restart everything. Turn off your Epson printer, Wi-Fi router, and device, phone/laptop. Wait 1 minute, then turn them back on. Step 2. Check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your phone or laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want to connect the printer to. Step 3. Place printer near router. Keep your printer close to the router to avoid weak signal issues. Step 4. Use printer control panel. On your printer screen, go to Setup Settings, Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Step 5. Select your network. Choose your Wi-Fi name, SSID, from the list. Step 6. Enter correct password. Carefully type your Wi-Fi password, case sensitive. Step 7. Confirm connection. Wait for the message, connected or Wi-Fi connected. Step 8. Install Epson software. Download and install Epson printer drivers on your device, then follow on-screen instructions. Step 9. Add printer to device. Go to Control Panel Devices, Printers, Add Printer, Windows, or Settings, Printers, Mac. Step 10. Reset network settings, if needed. If still not working, go to Settings, Restore Default Settings, Network Settings, Reset, then reconnect Wi-Fi again. Thanks for watching.